So today I'm changing a little bit the theme of my drawings. I'm not going to do another architectural sketch because it gets a little bit tiring and monotonous. So here is the lady I gonna draw. It will be like laying lady on some floor. I don't know what will be there, So as for today, I haven't done anything new here, but I was drawing and it's like this girl, so pretty. It was like a warm-up for drawing, so I guess at the evening I will start doing some more sketches and stuff like this. And I think I will correct this other leg because I love this one, it looks perfect, but this is like So, you know what, I started this drawing yesterday and I just done some reels from Instagram, but today I wasn't really feeling like doing anything with it. I was thinking about making it a painting, but I'm not sure yet. I think I will just stick with the pencils. So yes, so excited because I think it is really intricate, and I've been using this really like big Kohinoor graphite pencil. It is super thick, it can cover larger spaces of the paper and you draw really fast with it. I don't know, I spent on it like an hour and it looks very finished. It feels a little bit like I am drawing with charcoal because it is like fast and really not precise, but you can still achieve very intricate and very like spontaneous outcome. It's something different from the last week's drawing where I was really trying to get very precise and sharp lines. So yeah, let's start the drawing and we'll see how this turned out. We will see. Right now I am not feeling like doing anything just because in Poland it is so hot, like I am boiling and everything is like sticky. I am sticky, table is sticky, everything is sticky, and I just not feeling like doing anything today. So we'll wait for the better weather. So let's start the long-awaited unboxing. I'm so excited. Actually, shout out to the person who packaged it because I had so many problems with like unpacking it. It took me so long, but everything was pristine. Finally, I have the storage for my drawings and all the other stuff. It looks pretty cool. I was shocked with the size of those brushes. I don't know if they put it in the description that those are so huge, but yeah, I was shocked that this is like a length of my elbow, so it will be fun to try it out. I didn't think those are so big. I thought those are like really tiny, but okay. This is the brand of the brushes and all the details if you are interested or something. Yeah, I think those are pretty cool. Don't know about the price because in Poland it would be probably cheaper, but yeah, so I ordered some stuff because I didn't have anywhere to store my drawings. So if you watch my videos before, you remember I had all those drawings on A3 papers stuck to this whiteboard. Right now I have this big drawing because it was a gift for my mom's birthday and we are waiting for the frame. I have all those drawings here. So I needed to order new storage and few other things, like I have all those very old brushes which are still okay, but I can't get really precise lines with them. Those are the old brushes. Those are all like tinted a little bit, like very cheap. Some of the tips are like bended and frayed a little bit, but I had this. I really love using it, but this is plastic, and first of all it doesn't look aesthetically for the videos, and the other thing is that It has a rounded shape here, so I can get very sharp lines. So I will have the metal ones, which are very pretty, so also very excited, like I am upgrading, okay? When it comes to the drawing, the first thing I wanted to correct is this leg because it looks so bad and I just couldn't look at it. And then I moved to the face. Actually, for some reason I prefer this drawing without this face. I don't know if the upper body is too big or the head doesn't match. I don't understand, but something is off. But after a day, after looking at it, I think something is off. So I don't know, maybe you can spot the thing that is missing here. But still, I like the drawing and super proud of it. Love the perspective I created here. Guys, it is finished. This is how it turned out. Actually, I'm super surprised how fast it was. So yeah, I hope you liked my video. I hope you liked my drawing. And if you did, please consider staying with me for a little longer. And yeah, I will see you in the next one very, very soon.